How to email Bank of America. Hi guys, welcome to our channel and let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to Bank of America. Now, if you have any issue or any questions about Bank of America, then you can directly contact the customer service. There are many ways on how you can contact Bank of America. You can first of all log into your account for a better experience, or you can tap on these three lines and tap on the contact us option. Once you tap on this option, you have different topics over here. If you are facing any trouble with these topics, you can simply tap on that and get more help. However, if you want to directly contact the customer support, then you can tap on any of these options given over here. So let's say you're facing issue or have any questions about checking and savings, tap on that option. Now, here you have different options by which you can contact Bank of America. The first one is by mailing them, and the second one is by calling them. If you scroll down, you can also connect with Bank of America through Facebook and Twitter. You can privately message them on any of these platforms to fix your issue. As you can see here, there is no email address available, and that is because you're only able to contact Bank of America using these mediums. Emailing is simply not available. If you want to write something, you can draft a mail and then mail them to Bank of America PO Box 25118 in this following address, or else you can directly call them in the numbers available or use any of these platforms over here to contact them directly. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.